Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadia, and I am replaying this video for those who have not yet seen it as yet, and also to share a idea with you. So for those who have been asking, how is Mr. John doing? Mr. John is doing very well. He is getting the help that he needs. God has been good. I am so grateful and I'm so thankful to all who have been reaching out, offering help, whether they call me and it comes directly through me, or they just saw the video and they have been pouring out blessing to Mr. John. That is awesome, guys. That is so awesome. And a lot of people have been giving Mr. John help. They don't contact me or anything like that, but because they saw the video, they are reaching out, and that is a blessing. Yes, guys, it is a blessing. So the idea that I want to share with you guys, but just before I get into that, this is where it all started. So you remember the day when we went to purchase the phone for Mr. John. So when we were on the road, me and my husband, I saw this lady, and she was walking with two young children. The youngest to me was about 4, and the other probably 6. Yeah, walking with them, and there was a something, I don't know, there was a something that saying to me, stop the mommy and ask her if she needs help. There's like a thing just keep nagging, not really nagging, but just saying to you, do something. Yeah, but I didn't, and I don't even know why I didn't. But anyways, guys, when we left from where we were, we went into Flow, where you saw that video. Went to buy the chip for Mr. John's phone, and I saw the lady again. I'm sorry. When we were in Flow, I couldn't video, and that's why you guys didn't see what I'm talking. No. So I saw her again, and it's like the Spirit was saying to me, ask her if she needs help. There was just something saying to me, ask her, and your girl still didn't. I felt so bad afterwards, because she was there with the kids, and the youngest, I think she was about 4. She was asking her mommy, she was like, I want water, mommy, I'm thirsty. And I just wanted to say, can I buy her something? Can I buy her water? Can I buy her some juice? But your girl felt like embarrassed to ask. I don't know. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling so bad now, because I felt embarrassed just to ask her if I could, help. This lady was there right beside her, because I wasn't right exactly beside her at the time. So this lady was right beside her, and she was, assisting this girl, like giving her water, and I think it was a sweetie or something. When I was there, the Spirit kept saying to me, just when she's finished doing her transaction, I think she was paying bill, I'm not sure, but when she's finished, I was too focused on the kids. When she's finished, just go outside and ask her, if she need help. And guys, I was there, and I don't even know how she went outside, and didn't even realize that she went outside. But when she went outside, I turned to my husband and I said, do you know where the lady with the little girls went? And he said no. And I went outside and I looked, but I didn't see where they went. And at that time, I felt like sad, because I put my pride there, and I didn't step to her, even whisper in her ear and ask, can I offer the kids something, like some water or juice, or even to spend the time to ask her, or to wait until she was finished and spend more time to, you know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. And the thing about it is now, because it's like 2 weeks after, and I still think about that lady and those 2 little girls every single time. They always cross in my mind. So I ask God, and I say, God, please, if they really needed help, and you actually sent us there that day to help, or to try to get help for them, and I didn't, I ask Him to please let me see her again. I haven't seen her again, because I haven't been on the road like that. But I'm still praying and asking God if they need the help, and that I was supposed to be the one to at least start the process of them getting the help, and I didn't. I ask God to forgive me, and to let me see them again. I'm saying this to say, guys, this is the idea that I have now. I want us to start this thing on here, where we start offering help to people who is in need, or who are in need. Sometimes just start by looking in your community, your neighborhood, around your little neighborhood. sometimes people are there and they need help, like they really need help. You have kids going to school and the parents can't afford the lunch money, even the simplest thing as the lunch money or a plate of dinner. Just look around in the community and see if you have anyone there who you can reach out to and offer even a plate of dinner. Guys, you don't know what a plate of dinner can do to a person who doesn't have it. So if you can offer a plate of dinner to someone, don't be afraid, don't be embarrassed, to say, I'm not going to do it because I don't want people to shame me, because we're human beings and sometimes that come to our mind. Like, we don't want to offer help or ask people if they need help because we're going to think, oh, they're going to embarrass us, or, what are they going to think? So yeah, it happened to me. And we're all human, guys. Sometimes we want to do things, but the devil just in our ears, and then we get distracted, and then we, change our mind or feel shy or embarrassed, and then we just don't listen to the spirit, that still voice. Just to go back to Mr. John's story, guys, if I didn't listen when the spirit said interviewed him, then can you imagine Mr. John wouldn't be getting the help that he's getting now. He would not be getting the help. And that's why I feel bad to know that the spirit said to me, speak to the lady with the two little girls, and I didn't. Oh man, like, I feel so bad. I'm still praying, asking God to let me see them again if they really needed the help. Or even if I don't see them, that, God will provide somebody else for them, and, to help them if they need help and all of that. So guys, let us just, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I hope, and I know that there are people out there that are helping already. You are giving people, you're offering help, you're giving people help, and that's a blessing. Don't stop, guys. And let me tell you, it's when you do something good for somebody, don't put yourself into it. Don't put self into it, because when you put self into it, that's when you don't get no blessing. Just know that you're doing something for somebody in need, and you're doing that because God said you're supposed to be your brother's keeper. So do it from your heart. Do it from your heart, and that's when you receive the blessing. And I've said this before, even if you don't receive the blessing, your kids, your generation will definitely receive the blessing. Yes, guys, so this is the idea that I had, and I hope I'm motivating to you. And if we haven't started as yet, we'll just, try and start, doing something good for somebody, even before today end. Yes, guys, just try it, and you'll see. You don't have to come back on here and tell me anything or tell anybody anything. When you do something for somebody, let it be between you, the person, and God. You don't have to come back and tell anybody that, oh, I did this and I did that. No, just let it be between you, the person, and God. Thanks, guys, for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Love you guys.